some of the worst governments to be living under are democracies, is what you're saying.
There is. Because at least with a monarch, you have a one central point. You got one man you got to take out in a monarchy. One guy. That one guy goes down, hopefully there's freedom for the people. But in a democracy, that means 49% of the people got to wipe out the 51%. You got civil war. That's what's going on in like places like Iraq. When you take a country like that had a king, that had a Hussein, that had a guy in charge, and it was peace and tranquility. Once you take the king out, now it's a democracy. Now it's the mob rules. Now it's everybody voting to take everything away from the other guy. It's insane what's going on over there.
Right.
Because it's the mob rules. But at least with whatever his name was, Saddam Hussein, at least you had continuity. At least you had, one man to hate. Now you got to hate millions of people. Now the Sunnis got to hate the Shiites, and the Shiites got to hate the Sunnis. At least back then when Saddam Hussein ran the show, it's like, look, I'll knock both your heads to fucking get. I'll kill all of you. Well, you got to fucking behave. And everybody behaved. Now you got the mob rules. Because the people in Iraq will tell you it was much better when Hussein was in charge. Because at least we only hated one guy. Now we hate a million of our fellow Iraqis. Now we hate each other all over again. At least with that guy, he brought continuity.
Yeah, you got the U.S. right in the middle of 14 countries hate our guts over there.
Yeah.
So right now, I got a notice to, she's trying to write a letter to her public defender and to the judge asking for a continuance or a stay.
Stay of what?
Stay on criminal charges because
what charge?
She's got her common law claim pending. There are two simple assaults on her kids in her own house, which never happened.
Tell the third-party impartial witness to verify any of that stuff is true. You're in the wrong damn court. You're not going to get anything through family court. You're wasting your time.
No, they got the criminal charges on her.
Where are the criminal charges being held?
In a little county court.
Like a district court, a circuit court?
District
court?
Yeah.
Okay, district court. Oh, a district court?
Yeah, the daughter had the...
That's not a real court. The district court is a Nisi Prius court. It's not a real criminal court.
Right.
So you're wasting your time.
What about the common law claim? Should that be in the circuit?
You got to go to circuit court. Circuit court's a court of record. District court is a total waste of time. You have no rights. Nobody has to testify that anything is true. Nobody has to swear in a district court. You're in the wrong damn building. You're in the wrong damn court. Well, they could even hold it in the same damn courthouse. I'm just saying, you're in the wrong damn court.
Okay.
You got to get it over to a court of record. Because, like I said, you'll ask in a district court, is this a court of record or is this a Nisi Prius court? They'll say it's a Nisi Prius court. Because that's the first thing that whenever I walk into any kind of court, I say, hey, before I say anything today, I'd like to swear in and testify that everything I have to say is true. And so and the judge will tell me this, there'll be no testifying, swearing in today. So nobody's going to swear in and nobody's going to testify anything's true? Absolutely not. Then I say I'm in the wrong goddamn court. Sorry, you may proceed. And then I fucking just sit down and just say, do as you wish. I have nothing further to say. I'm not here.
Okay.
So if they won't accept that you wish to testify, that you wish to be sworn in so you can testify under oath, that everything that you have to say today is true, they say, no, we'll be taking no testimony today. Well, wait a second. We're all going to be sworn in today, right? Well, no, nobody's going to be sworn in. Okay, well, I have nothing to say. I'm in the wrong court. And that's it. The judge, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to move it across the street. The same thing I did if anything. I don't care if it's a traffic ticket. I don't care what it is. I said I would like to swear in today and testify that everything I have to say is true. And I want the other side to swear in that everything they have to say is true. No, we're not gonna be doing that today. Oh, okay. We're in Nisi Prius court. We're not in a court of record where I can't hold that man liable.
And to move her claim over like you would do across the street.
Yeah, you got to be in a court of record. Yeah, you're in the wrong court.
Right.
You got to get into a court of record. Yeah, but like I said, it sounds easy, but can you do it? I mean, it all sounds easy. The stuff I do sounds incredibly simple, but can you pull it off?
We're working on it, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I said to you, that's why I tell people read The Prince and the Pauper. I believe it's a Mark Twain story. It might have been Charles Dickens, but I'm pretty sure it's Mark Twain. And it simply explains to you guys that you're trying to pull a stunt like me, and you're trying to play that you're in a court of record, and you want to go man-on-man, and you have no man-on-man fighting skills. Zero. None. You got none. And you're going to try to fight, oh, really? And do you understand what I could do to you? You're in my court. Do you understand? No, but I think I got the Constitution to protect me and a lawyer. Nah, you ain't got no Constitution. Well, I got a lawyer. Nah, he can't do shit for you either. Well, no, dude, it's man on man. Well, shit. Yeah, it's shit. Yeah, you better be good because you're thinking you're asking. So, like I said, there's a lot more to this than just putting in this piece of paper like a lawyer does. A lawyer puts 2 or 3 pieces of paper in, and, the other side, they'll cut a deal, they'll negotiate, they'll settle. No, man, when it's man on man, it can get ugly real quick. If it's, like I said, when somebody ever tells me, man, that they've actually harmed their fellow man, I go, honestly, you're screwed. Because if you actually owed me a debt, I could come in there with the sheriff's department and take every damn thing you got. If you say, well, Carl, we're going to pay you $1 a day. I don't give a effing damn. You're fucking with my kids. You're fucking with my family. You're fucking with my animals. You're fucking with my farm. I need that money. I need it fucking now. You told me to pay me. You pay me back. I'm coming to get it. Don't think that you people are going to thrive while my family dies. Don't think I'm going to forgive the debt. Oh, no, I'm coming after you with everything I got. And I got the law on my side to back me up on this. So see what I'm saying? When it's man on man, you better settle that damn debt before you go to court. When it comes to like a government entity, oh, that's a joke. Once they realize what you're writing, they'll stop. They realize, you figured it out. Fuck, we can't nail this guy. He knows what time of day it is. We're screwed. But like I said, if, when it's man on man, when you guys do something wrong, like I said, there was a husband and wife called me up and they said, can you help my son? I said, why is that? He's in jail. Oh, what did he do? Well, he's in jail for, I said, we'd rather not say on the air. I said, so did he hurt somebody? He's like, yes. And it's like, so he committed a crime against another man, another woman. They were like, yes. So he actually injured somebody, harmed somebody. Yes. I said, did he settle the debt? He's like, what? I said, where's his victim? Where's the victim of his crime? And mom and dad said, we don't know. I said, did you make them whole? Did you settle it with the victim? And they were like, well, no, we don't even know where the victim is. So I said, then you go fuck yourself. They're like, what? I said, go fuck yourself. Get the fuck off my call. I said, whoever's running the show, I said, get these fucking assholes off my show. I said, are you trying to tell me you're trying to get your sonny boy out of jail when there's still a debt to another man or another woman, and that you people haven't made that man or woman whole? I said, you want me to get sonny boy out of prison because he might have had a bad day? I said, what kind of parents fucking are you? I said, you let him sit there and rot until he pays his debt back to that woman, back to that man. Hell with the debt to society. I said, you people should be teaching your son, that he's got to sit there until he learns that you can't come out and cause harm to your fellow man without clearing up the debt. And while he's in there, since you created that little monster and unleashed him into the world, you're liable for that debt that he created. And you people ain't made it square. People are horrible fucking parents. And I said, I'm certainly not going to fucking help you get your sonny boy to fuck out. I hope he sits there and rots. Because you know what? That would... stay there until he's 50, 60 years old until he can't harm nobody else no more.
That would be where the common law and codes and statute crosses. When you cause harm, loss, or injury, that's where the two cross.
Yeah, I guess you could look at it that way. That kind of makes sense looking at it that way.